You want to stand up, or you like being down there?
Come a little closer.
So we're gonna have some brunch. Specifically, we're gonna make some delicious crepes. We are not into eating much grains, and so these crepes are grain-free. The flour we're gonna use is something called Arrowroot. Down here in Ecuador, we call it Chuno. Big shout out to our very wonderful friends, Megan and Jason. They were the ones that introduced us to this recipe. If you guys don't know what Arrowroot or Chuno is, it's the same thing. And it's a root. It's a beautiful plant. It's got these huge leaves, but it's a root, it's a tuber. We're gonna make crepes, and then we're gonna make them into breakfast burritos with freshly harvested lion's mane, cheesy scramble. You know, if you're eating a diet without grains, it's nice to have a lot of these like kind of faux bread products so you can enjoy that like.
Let's do it. Your Chuno, your arrowroot is gonna be different if you're in the United States or Canada or Europe or wherever you are than what we have in Ecuador. So you're gonna have to try our version and then adjust it because it's gonna be a little different. There's a lot of give, there's a lot of room in this recipe. So let's do it. I'm gonna start by breaking my eggs into the blender. 8 eggs, 8 teaspoons of butter. You see my teaspoons? I don't know, just kind of eyeballing it.
If you have like, if you're using butter from sticks, it just says it on there and it's easy.
Oh yeah, and it's a stick of butter. Crazy. Oh, you're gonna pour that in? Great idea. Ooh, because it's a family affair.
1 cup.
Boom. Cappuccino.
Chuno. And look how we did it. You don't want to put the Chuno in first because the Chuno is thick, and if it goes on the bottom, your blender's like, it won't spin.
I'm gonna do a teaspoon of salt, which is something like that. And then we need, let me consult my recipe book. 1.5 cups of water or milk. We can't detect a difference with milk or water, so we keep it on the economic side and use water.
Water.
How do you feel about that?
Mommy, you're weird.
I'm not weird. Show the people the blend. Oh, wait.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh, stand up.
It's done. What's done is done. We just noticed an eggshell in there.
Bonus calcium.
So now what you need is a hot pan. No butter in your pan, just a very hot pan. It starts to separate immediately, so you just want to keep it in the blender so you can keep mixing it. That's hot. You hear that? Let you listen to the sizzle.
Damn, good first one, man.
Boom. Reblend. Get them in the oven, get them out of sight. Otherwise they will be gone before they get to the table. Don't burn your legs. Don't burn your legs. Okay.
Nice.
Nice and normal. As the crepes cook, I'm going to get my accoutrement, my crepe accoutrement. Can I say that? This is a really nice looking lion's mane.
It's good. Love Sundays.